Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, we're at the Han River because it's cherry blossom season in South Korea. So I made Samgak Kimbap or Korean rice ball. Let's get started. To get started, we need spam. Open up the can and smash it hard to get it out. And slice thinly. Stack them together and slice thinly again. And we're gonna slice thinly one more time. Put to the side. Next, we need 2 hot pepper. Cut the edges and slice it half. And stack them together and cut it thinly. And put to the side. If you don't like spicy food, you can skip this part, but adding spicy pepper to spam will neutralize the greasiness of the spam. Next, we need a strip of pork belly. Cut it thinly. For long one, cut it half so it doesn't stick out from Samgak Kimbap. And put to the side. Next, we need half a bowl of kimchi. Slice lengthwise and cut it thinly. And put to the side. Next, we need canned tuna. Open the can, drain all the juice out. Once you've drained it, put it into the bowl. We need a half a teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of mayo. And mix it well. And put to the side. Get a pot and turn your stove on medium high. And put all the spam that we cut it earlier. After cooking for 1 to 2 minutes, add all the spicy peppers. Spam is always good. I like it so much. After cooking for 5 minutes, turn off the stove and put to the side. Next, get a pot again and turn your heat on high heat. We're gonna add pork belly. Add a 1/4 spoon of sugar. Half a tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of mirin. Half a tablespoon of sesame oil. Half a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Half a tablespoon of red pepper paste. Now we're gonna add almost all the kimchi. We need 1 clove of minced garlic. Pork bellies are always delicious. Once meat is ready, turn off your heat. Now put it into a plate. Get 3 bowls of rice. We need 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and sprinkle some salt and mix it well. Get some rice on your hand. Make a little hole in the middle. Get a spoonful of filling and place it in the hole. Put more rice on top of it to cover it. Start molding it into a triangle shape. Repeat this part until you run out of ingredients. Get a sheet of seaweed. Cut it in half. Cut it into quarters. And wrap the rice ball. Ta-da! Size of the seaweed can be different depends on your Samgak Kimbap. Eating time! Okay, let's get started. I don't know which one was the spam. I really want the spam one, but I don't know which one is. This is Samgak Kimbap. What Samgak means triangle, Kimbap means rice ball. So Samgak Kimbap is triangle rice ball. And he has a little face, and this is his little hair that I try to make it cute, but I don't know it's cute. No. Alright, so let's eat it. I flavored the rice with the sesame oil and salt, so it has so good flavor. Tuna is really good with the mayo, so it goes really well. Tuna itself has a really rich flavor, and I flavor with the mayo and a little bit of sugars, so it goes so well with the rice. Let's try the next one. It got a little break, but let's try. It's the pork one. I think kimchi goes so well with the pork and the rice. It gives really good flavor. It tastes good itself, but it tastes way better because I'm eating outside. So hopefully you guys can make it and go outside and have fun with your friend. So see you next week. 안녕! Seriously, for that we're here. For that one sin, I spent all my money for the bento and a bottle and whatever is called cardboard. Just that freaking one sin.